How to add htaccess file on WordPress with FTP. The htaccess file is an essential WordPress core file to reconfigure the Apache web server's specific settings. Here's how you can add the file with an FTP connection. We will need first to make an FTP connection from our PC or laptop to the server. If you have not connected your computer to the server, please check the description of the video. I have explained every step and what is needed for the connection. In this tutorial, we will use an already created connection. So if you have not done this, pause the video and check the description of this video. A connection is required. Let's open WinSCP. Click on Login. Now on the right part, open the folder public_HTML. So let's open the browser. We will write on the address bar the domain we will use for the test. The site works, but what if I will click on a page or a post? You will get a 404 error access. For us to add an htaccess file with an FTP, we will need the file. We can recreate the file with a notepad, but I am going to provide a link in the description of the video with an already created file. Just pause the video and download the file. Now that we have the file downloaded, go on the left window on WinSCP where you saved the file. It should be in the Downloads folder. You see the file here. Click on the file and click on the Upload button. Now click OK. The upload is usually instant. Now let's refresh the page on the browser. The 404 error should be gone if you added the file in the correct path. This is how you add htaccess file on WordPress with FTP. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.